Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade, another Amazon haul video. Here we go. So here we have a few things. I'm not gonna put too much in the video to make sure it's not extremely long. And yes, I am gonna put links down below for whatever I can find. And sometimes the sellers change the listing, change the picture, the description, the whole item, but they leave the listings so the feedback stays there. Or maybe it's just discontinued because they don't have anything in stock. These ones are little squares. I bought this for resin. I think it looks so beautiful when it shines. This is my favorite color. It's so beautiful. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it. Red, like dark, deep red. Super pretty. And this is like rose gold. And this is like lavender-ish. And then two golds. Very nice. These are very good quality. And there's a lot in it. And when you're making resin, you literally just need 2 pinches. Next. Unicorn Art Washed Denim Mica Powder. Magical mica powder, pearl pigment. This is 2 ounces and there's a lot in here. Make sure you tap if there's any stuck on the top, just to show you. Ooh, look at that. There's a lot in here. 2 ounces. Oh, that is so beautiful. So beautiful. 2 ounce will go a long way. Gorgeous. Ultra fine glitter powder. To be honest, this does not look ultra fine from what I can see, because I do have other ultra fine powder, glitter. I mean, ultra fine glitter, and it does not look this big. It is fine, but I would not say it's ultra fine. Ultra fine is more like a powdery. This is kind of like a regular glitter. Maybe a little bit smaller than the regular glitter, but it's not ultra fine. Okay, that's what it says, ultra fine. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger than ultra fine. Very pretty, very small. So definitely fine, but not ultra fine. Okay, here, these are coasters. So there is the sun and the moon coaster molds. I'm gonna put this aside because I want to use this week. Pretty thick, not extremely thick, but it feels durable. And I like that it's blue. Although in clear, almost kind of clear, you can morely, what kind of word is that, morely? You can see the colors way more, because this might be a little too dark and then you can't see the exact colors of what you're pouring. But it seems like it's a good quality. The details on it are pretty thick. I mean, not extremely thick, but I think it will give very good details. And even these bits, they're not too small, so the resin will melt into it very nicely. Next up is Embossing Folders from the store Lighthouse Books and Gifts. Okay. Let's see. All Sizzix. So we got 2 in each. This one, I don't really like this one, but I really love this one, so I bought it for this one. It's Sizzix. It's regular size. There's nothing unique in the actual embossing folder to see, so I'm not going to take it out right now, but you can see the design. And this is the A2. Very good. Yeah, I love this one. And then we have floral ones. What I like about this is it's kind of like a folk folk design, folk cartoons design. Very pretty. This I have not seen in stores anywhere. That's the candy. Okay, and the last thing I got is gloves for resin. This is 100 gloves, and they are very thick. I mean, not like extremely thick, but they're not like the very thin, cheap quality stuff. I got medium size. I have small hands, but I got medium size because I did work at a dentist office once, and the small size gloves, they're just so tight. So if you want to be comfortable, go with one size bigger than you think you would need, because it's still gonna be pretty tight. And what I love about these gloves, the see-through one, is if it gets a little hole and something like paint goes through the hole onto your hands, you'll be able to see it, unlike in the white gloves. This is latex and powder free. Okay, that was it for this video. We got some really cool stuff. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm usually pretty good at responding to comments, usually. But then I see a lot of the giveaway comments and I cannot reply to those. So if I don't reply to your comments, it probably got mixed up with the giveaway comments. As usual, there is an open giveaway going on right now. If you would like to get some free craft supplies, go and enter my giveaway.